Diwali, also known as Deepavali, is one of the most significant and widely celebrated festivals in India. It symbolizes the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. The name Diwali is derived from the Sanskrit word Deepavali, which means row of lamps. Celebrated by millions of Hindus, Sikhs, Jains, and Buddhists around the world, Diwali usually lasts for 5 days and falls between October and November. The festival's origins are rooted in various legends and religious texts. For Hindus, Diwali marks the return of Lord Rama to his kingdom Ayodhya after a 14-year exile and his victory over the demon king Ravana. To welcome him, the people of Ayodhya illuminated the city with oil lamps, creating a dazzling display that is now recreated with modern lights. The festivities begin with Dhanteras, the first day, which is dedicated to wealth and prosperity. On this day, people clean their homes and buy new utensils, gold, or other precious items. The second day, Naraka Chaturdashi or Choti Diwali, commemorates Krishna's victory over the demon Narakasura. On this day, people often burst firecrackers to celebrate the occasion. The third and most important day is Diwali. Families perform Lakshmi Puja, where they worship the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Homes are decorated with rangoli, intricate designs made from colored powders, and lamps are lit to invite prosperity and happiness. The evening is filled with fireworks and the sharing of sweets and gifts. The fourth day varies by region but is generally celebrated as Govardhan Puja or Anaka, marking the day Krishna defeated Indra by lifting the Govardhan hill. People prepare a vast array of vegetarian dishes and offer them to Krishna. The fifth and final day is Bhai Dooj, dedicated to the bond between brothers and sisters. Sisters pray for their brothers' well-being and perform a taika ceremony on their foreheads, while brothers offer gifts in return. Diwali is not just a festival but an opportunity to strengthen familial bonds, express gratitude, and seek blessings for a prosperous future. It is a time for introspection, renewal, and hope, capturing the essence of Indian cultural heritage.